So we are now approaching the month of May, and there's an old saying in investing to stay away in May. Last year, 1 year ago exactly, this is what happened in May. All of this happened in May. And at this very day, a year ago, guess what? We were here. Does this look like something very similar that's happening right now? Look. Crash, consolidation. In this video, we're going to be going over what is about to happen in the crypto market because some very big things are going to be taking place that are going to be affecting your crypto portfolio, your crypto trades. So make sure you guys stick around to the very end of this short, sweet, get to the point video. And if you love cryptocurrencies, give this video a thumbs up and make sure you are subscribed with notifications on. So let's get into the video. So first and foremost, we have a whole bunch of data events that are going to be taking place next week. And right now, I'm going to show you what those are. Next week is going to be the first week of the first week of May, which we have ISM manufacturing PMI. We also have the unemployment change, job openings. We have the FOMC statement, federal funds rate, FOMC press conference. It just goes on and on and on. Usually before big events like this, guess what happens? There's huge sell-offs, especially in the month of May. We are approaching the mid-year, and investors, hedge fund managers, what they like to do is they like to do a thing called risk off. Cryptos are risk off. So they get rid of their cryptocurrencies, they get rid of their risk assets, their stocks, gold, crypto, whatever it is. And they do so because there's key economic events that are taking place that can crash or pump the markets, and they don't want to be involved in that. They want to be trading and investing when the market is stable. When the market is trending and is stable, that's when you want to trade or invest, not when it's pumping 10% one day, the next day is crashing 10%, pumping 20%. It's a very crazy time, and times like those, you can lose a lot of money. So good investors and good traders, they try to stick away and stay away from volatility because it's all manipulation, it's bots, it's FUD, it's just whatever investors are perceiving at the time, whatever news headline is going to be basically running the market, or how certain analysts perceive this piece of data. And this analyst the next day says, oh, it's bullish, it pumps it, it crashes it. So you want to kind of stay away from crazy volatile events, and it's best to kind of sit back and watch and let the dust settle. That's what I personally do. But let me show you what's happening on the charts right now. We have Bitcoin had crashed pretty significantly. I was able to call the top. We were able to trade and short Bitcoin all the way down to even today. Bitcoin made some new lows, Ethereum made some new lows, and I'm trading and shorting cryptocurrencies. You can join and get my profitable trade alerts, posting profitable trades every single week, multiple trades a week. You can get access to my profitable crypto trading community for free. The link for my Telegram for that is free, but to get the access for these signals, you'll have to join the Patreon. But let me show you what's happening. So Bitcoin is barely moving right now. There's not a lot of volatility. There's not a lot of volume coming in. There's not a lot of buyers because we're approaching May. And the markets are forward looking, and they tend to sell off before certain events, or they tend to buy before certain events. And I believe the first week of May is going to be a risk off. It's going to be a sell-off event, and that's taking place already. It's already taken place. The markets are forward looking. We've already been crashing for about a week now, and now we're just forming a bearish flag. So we're consolidating from the previous downtrend, and we are likely, maybe we bounce up a little bit, but we are likely to continue this strong downtrend, which is quite likely in my opinion after we've been pumping the entire year. So a healthy pullback or a bigger crash or correction is completely normal, completely expected. And after this happens, after the market does what it's going to do, then we're going to make an entry back into the market, because this risk off environment is not going to be for that long. I believe the crypto market, to be completely honest with you, is going to bottom out, and sometimes around December, January. That's when the markets actually usually bottom out. I think we're going to get some type of bottom around then, and then we're going to be running into the halving cycle for Bitcoin, which starts every single crypto bull run next year. So the mid of next year is going to be the halving cycle. I think April, if I'm not mistaken, but somewhere around there. And that's when cryptos are going to go crazy. But cryptos, like I said, they're forward looking. They're going to go crazy before the halving cycle, most likely. It's always happened 100% of the time, and it should continue. So if you guys want to get access to my profitable trade alerts, join the Patreon. But I also highly recommend my trading algorithm, ALGOSNIPER, called a buy alert at Bitcoin at $19,000 and spiked all the way to nearly $32,000. If you want to have access to this indicator, you can try it today for free at algosniper.com. Also, if you are trading cryptocurrencies, I recommend that you trade on BitGet. Bybit is kicking everybody off who is not KYCing, so I moved over to BitGet. You guys can be a part of a crypto trading tournament that I'm going to be hosting on the 1st, and you can win up to $10,000. There's also deposit bonuses if you just open up an account today and use the link in my video description. If you are in the US, I recommend using NordVPN when you create an account at BitGet. When you log on, and that's it, then you're good to go. Recommend putting your country in Mexico. But that's going to be it for this video. If you guys got something out of this video, consider giving this video a thumbs up, subscribing with notifications on, because you do not want to be missing these videos, and I will see you later.